Good morning, friend. Today we are starting the problem on the ray optics and the optical instrument. In this first one, we are considering a small candle of 2.5 centimeter in the side is placed at 25 centimeter in the concave mirror of the radius of a curvature minus 36 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Describe the nature and the size of the image. If the candle is moved to the closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? Now let us consider the given term. Just we are writing the given term. In this case, given that a candle of 2.5 centimeter inside, we are considering it has a height h is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Next, they have told that it is placed at 25 centimeter. In this case, we are considering u is equal to, consider this as 27. U is equal to 27 centimeter. And here we don't know the value of h dash. H dash is equal to question mark. And again they have given that the radius of the curvature r is equal to minus 36 centimeter. R is equal to minus 36 centimeter. Now from this we can calculate f. F is equal to r by 2. Put the value of r. R is equal to how much is there? Minus 36 by 2. Cancel the term. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja. Therefore, the value of f is minus 18 centimeter. That is the focal length. Now, in this case, we are taking the formula f is equal to, we are considering r by 2. R by 2 is equal to how much we are getting the answer? Minus 18 centimeter. In this case, again we have to find that the image distance can be obtained by using the mirror formula. The image distance can be obtained by using the mirror formula. Let us consider the formula. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Formula for the, here in this condition, we know the value of u. V is not given, f is given. Just put the value of u and f. We can find the value of 1 by v. In this condition, we have to find this value. 1 by v is equal to, we are considering 1 by f minus 1 by u. Just take 1 by u this side. Now in this condition, we are putting the value of f and u. Put the value of f and u. Now 1 by v is equal to 1 by f means it is minus 1 by 18. Next minus 1 by u, 1 by 27. Here we are considering that 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 18. Next minus 1 by 27. And this can be also written in the form of, this can be written in the form of minus 3 by 2 whole divided by 54. Next the answer is minus 1 by 54. The value of 1 by v. The value of 1 by v is equal to, we are considering it as minus 1 by 54. Therefore, here we can tell that the screen should be placed at 54 centimeter away from the object, or v is equal to, we are considering minus 54. V is equal to, we are getting the answer how much? Minus 54. Here we are telling that the screen should be placed at 54 centimeter away from the mirror to obtain a sharp image. Now next, here we have to find the magnification of the image. The magnification of the image can be given, the formula has f is equal to h dash by h is equal to minus v by u. In this case, we know that given terms are h is there, u is there, h dash is not there. We have to find the value of the h dash. Therefore, h dash is equal to, we are writing minus v into h by u. the formula for h dash. Now in this case we know the value of v, h and u. Put all the values here. Minus v is this, the value of v is minus 54 into h 2.5 centimeter, u, the value of u is 27 centimeter. Therefore the calculation part we are getting the answer as minus 5 centimeter. We are getting the answer as minus 5 centimeter. The value of the h dash is equal to, we are considering the minus 5 centimeter, that is the magnification. Here we can tell that the height of the candle image is 5 centimeter. The height of the candle is 5 centimeter. The negative sign indicates that the image is inverted and real. The negative sign indicates that image is inverted and real. Therefore, the candle is moved closer to the mirror. Then the screen will have to be moved from the mirror in order to obtain the image. This is the problem. Now, next problem. A 4.5 centimeter needle is placed at 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror of the focal length 15 centimeter. Given that the location of the image and the magnification, describe what happened as the needle moved far from the mirror. Here in this condition, see a question. They have placed the needle at 12 centimeter away from the convex mirror of the focal length. They have given 15 centimeter. Given that the location of the image and the magnification, describe what will happen when we are moving, what will happen from the mirror, we have to study here. The given term is h1 height, that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. U is equal to minus 12 centimeter. F is equal to 15 centimeter. Here in this condition we have to find the image distance. V is equal to question mark. Now to find the image distance we are using the mirror formula. Therefore 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Now we have to calculate the value of v. Therefore 1 by u, or this can be also written as 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. We have to find the value of the v. The formula is 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Next, we are considering 1 by v is equal to, put the value of f and u, 1 by 50 minus 1 by minus 12. Now we have to calculate the value of 1 by v. Therefore, we are getting the answer as 1 by 50 minus minus plus 1 by 12. Therefore, we can write the answer as 4 plus 5 by 60, 60, or it is equal to 9 by 60. 4 plus 5 by 60 or is equal to 9 by 60. Therefore, v is equal to, we are getting the answer as 60 by 9. V is equal to 60 by 9, or this also can be written as 6.7 centimeter. The value of the image distance V is equal to, we are getting 6.7 centimeter. In the same way, we have to tell here the image of the needle is 6.7 centimeter away from the mirror, and we can also find here the image size is given by the magnification formula. Again, we have to take the magnification formula. M is equal to h by h dash. M is equal to h by h dash. That is the magnification formula. The magnification formula we are considering M is equal to h by h dash, or it can be also written in the form of h2 by h1. In the question we have taken, or in the given data we have taken the height h1 is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now by using that we have written h2 by h1 is equal to minus v by u. In this condition we have to find the value of h2. h2 is equal to question mark. We know the value of H1, V and U. Therefore, H2 is equal to minus V by U into H1. Next, the value of V, 6.7 centimeter. Next, the value of U is equal to, we are considering minus 12 centimeter into H1. The value of H1 is 4.5 centimeter. Next, cancel the terms minus minus. Therefore, next, the calculation part of this is, we are getting the answer as 2.5 by 4.5. Therefore, the answer is equal to, or here we are getting total answer as 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. The answer of the H2 value we have got 2.5 centimeter. In the same way, again here we are telling that the magnification of the formula. Magnification of the formula. M is equal to, we are considering the value as H2 by H1. H2 by H1. We got the value of H2 and H1. Put the value. H2 is equal to 2.5. By H1 is equal to, we are getting 4.5. Cancel the terms. The answer is equal to 0.56. 0.56. The magnification value is 0.56. Therefore, we can tell that the height of the image is 2.5 centimeter. Here we can tell that the image of the height is 2.5 centimeter and the positive sign indicates that image is erect, virtual and diminished. If the needle is moved further from the mirror, the image will also move away from the mirror and the size of the image goes on increasing gradually. This is your second problem. Now next one. The double convex lenses are manufactured from a glass of refractive index 1.55 with both the faces of the same radius of curvature. What is the radius of the curvature required if the focal length is to be 20 centimeter? The given terms are mu is equal to 1.55, f is equal to 20 centimeter, r is equal to question mark. R means the radius of the curvature. Next, in this condition, we are applying that R1 is equal to R or R2 is equal to minus R. Now the formula, the radius of the curvature can be used by the formula as 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 into bracket 1 divided by R1 minus 1 by R2. Next, put all the values here. 1 by f is equal to 1 by 20 is equal to mu means 1.55 minus 1 into 1 by R1, that is R plus again 1 by R. Now in this condition, calculate the value 1 by 20 into 1.55 minus 1 is the total answer we are getting as 0.55. 0.55. Here 1 plus 1 by R plus R is there. We are considering it as 2 by R. Now next, the calculation part is there. Total answer we are getting here 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is equal to 0.55 into 2 by R. Here we have to find the radius of the curvature, that is capital R. Therefore, R is equal to, we can write it as R is equal to, we are taking the point as 0.55 into 2 into 20. Now calculate, we are getting the answer R is equal to 22 centimeter. R is equal to 22 centimeter. See in that, here we have to find what is the radius of the curvature. Here r is equal to what we are getting the answer. We are getting has a 22 centimeter. Here and the radius of the curvature we have to take for the double convex lens. Here the radius of the curvature we have to take for the double convex lens. For that purpose we are taking it as capital R.